Welcome to my dimly lit, echoey, and overcrowded garage. And hopefully today, the garage is going to get a little more crowded. On this beautiful, possibly hail-filled, possibly rainy, definitely rainy day, my new bug project is going to show up. So the Prius is getting out of here, the bug's coming in, and with a little bit of luck, we'll be able to take a look at it tonight. So this morning, when the truck driver called me, the bug was up here somewhere. We need to get down here somewhere. With my luck, it's right around there, getting nice and hailed on. Right there. Please don't hail on my new car. Here we are, waiting for the bug. The driver should be here about 10-15 minutes. The bad weather seems to have passed. The driver called me this morning worried about some hail, it might be late. We're already a day and a half, 2 days late at this point, so one more day, not gonna kill me. It's here. I might take the van. I don't know. The van looks like fun. He pulled right in front of the neighbor who needs to back out.